Hey guys, so now that you have hopefully completed your graphic organizer and you've collected information, you only had to choose 5 of these, but you chose 5 of these and collected information on those elements of your birthday. We're going to start creating the interactive PowerPoint. Well, I guess I should have said first, what is an interactive PowerPoint? It's just when the PowerPoint contains elements on the slide that are clickable, and then it either takes you to another slide with information, or some information will pop up about whatever you click on.
Here is an example of an interactive birthday PowerPoint that one of my students did that I think is a really good example of what your end product should look like. So you're going to want a background, add some type of a themed background in here. So that's going to be, you're going to have a title slide. Then your second slide is going to be the clickable part of your slide. So on your graphic organizer, you already did that part. I believe I said to pick 5 different areas of your birthday to research. So here are the 5 areas that this person chose. I'm assuming, because she doesn't have them necessarily labeled, her astrological sign, her birth flower, probably the #1 song on her birthday, some history about her birthday, and something to do with celebrities. So you'll have a slide that contains the actual information that you gathered. So she'll have, so you'll see here slide 3, that's her zodiac sign. Slide 4, that's the birth flower. Slide 5, that's the #1 song on her birthday, yada, yada, yada. So basically, this slide is kind of like the main menu for your PowerPoint. And then people who were going to be your audience, the people that are going to be watching your PowerPoint, they can click and navigate between your slides via this kind of main menu. So how this works is your audience would go to your slideshow. I'm just going to hit play from current slides. So this pops up here. And then mine probably doesn't look like yours will, but regardless, this is where you would click. So I should be able to click on this Leo action button, and it takes me to that slide about Leo. Yep. And then so you'll see here's where it takes you to slide. And then you're also going to be including a home button on each one of your informational slides so that your audience, will be able to click on the home button, which hers is right here, and it should take them back to that kind of menu slide. And I'll show you another example here. Click, should be the history. Yep, sure enough. And I really, really like her example of her presentation, of her slideshow, because notice how it's all very uniform. Every slide looks the same. That is a good thing. So for each slide, when I go to look at the information, she's got the same kind of borders around her text boxes, white text. She's got her image to the right side of the text. Same thing for every slide, just different information, obviously, and different images, but that looks really sharp. Remember, less is actually more in a lot of times when you're designing PowerPoints and videos and anything digitally. You want to try to make it look very, very similar, so it's kind of cohesive.
Okay, so hopefully now you have a better understanding of what an interactive PowerPoint is. So we will go ahead and get started.